In this video, I'll show you how to send a friend request on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to send for someone friend request on Discord, what you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your Discord, right? So I want to send to Matthias a friend request. What you're going to do, you're going to right click your mouse, right? Once you right click your mouse, you click on this profile. Once it has opened up, you're going to see this add friend, right? So I'm going to click on the add friend. And once I've clicked on the add friend, you can see I just added up Matthias as a friend. So if he accepts my friend request, we are gonna be friends, right? So this is basically how you can send a friend request to someone on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.